In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then click on All Services. Select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, click on any password that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!